I am back with another monthly Transfer Tuesday, which means I'm going to take you guys with me as I transfer $500 from my Varo online checking account to my Capital One 360 home savings goal. So, if you guys have a savings goal that you are working on achieving, then this video is going to provide you with the motivation that you need. So stick around and watch me get one step closer to my goal. Hello everyone, I'm Kimberly. If you are a subscriber, welcome back to my channel. If this is your first time here, I hope that you find this content helpful, and I would love for you to drop a key emoji in the comments to let me know that you are new to the channel. On this channel, we talk about ways to unlock your financial freedom by incorporating planning, productivity, and personal finance into your daily routine to level up your life so that you can live a life that you deserve. Okay, we are logged into Capital One 360 for our December Transfer Tuesday. I'm going to jump right into it. I'm going to go to my home savings goal. We're currently at $11,144.21. Let's go ahead and view the account information. You can see the last interest payment that I have was for November the 30th in the amount of $27.04. Now I'm going to go ahead and select transfer money, and we are going to transfer money from our main account, which is my Varo online bank account, and I'm going to transfer this to my home savings goal. This is a one-time transfer on Tuesday, December the 6th in the amount of $500. We're going to double check this information. Transfer from to one time December the 6th for $500. So perfect, that is correct. We're going to select transfer, and it is successful. So perfect. So last month on my Transfer Tuesday video, I told you guys about 2 homes that I was interested in. Nothing has happened as of yet. I am still looking, but I will keep you guys posted. So stay tuned. Okay, now let's get to what I've been waiting to talk to you guys about, and that is an email that I received last week about a rent increase. Yes, again. So first of all, let me backtrack. Last year, my rent increased by $100. It went from $8.95 to $9.95 per month. Okay, that was last year. So now I get an email that says your current lease expiration date is January 31st, 2023. You are hereby notified that effective February 1st, 2023, your rent amount will be $1,250 instead of $995, which is the current monthly rent. OMG, you all. So we are talking about a substantial amount, of money increase here. This is what, $250, $255 increase. And last year it was $100. So that being said, you guys, I am claiming a new home for myself and my son in 2023. I think this kind of lit a fire under me to go ahead and start trying to get a home. I was undecided if I wanted to wait, save more money, whatever. But I really think I'm going to try to do this. So I'm going to keep you guys posted. And as always, drop a key emoji below and comment to let me know what you are saving for and how is it going for you guys. I hope it's going better for you guys than it is for me. Although I can't complain. I'm saving really well. I just don't like the fact that my rent is increasing that much. But anyway, comment below, you guys. Let's have a discussion, and I will see you guys in the next Transfer Tuesday. If you are loving my content, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification bell so that you are notified every single time Edupreneur Diaries posts a new video. Thanks for watching, you all.